What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Audi Q8 55 Premium Plus. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged V6 with 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. I'm gonna put my phone in that wireless charging tray real quick. This specific one is really nice, and I also have the window sticker. So 3-liter TFSI V6, 8-speed Tiptronic transmission with quattro all-wheel drive, 21-inch 5-segment spoke wheel design. The wheels look awesome on this car. This one has the Premium Plus, as I said, Bang & Olufsen premium sound system with a 3D sound system. S-Line package, executive package, which gives dual pane acoustic glass, heated rear seats, power rear side window. S-Line style package, so he looks really sporty on the exterior, and the total MSRP on this car was $83,935 when it was new. And this vehicle has 20 miles per gallon combined, 18 city, 23 highway. Put this back in there. All right, but yeah, this one has like a brown interior, which looks really nice. I think it's called like a Kopi brown or something like that. Bang & Olufsen speakers, as I mentioned. You also have a reverse camera with 360 view, and you also have the 3D camera. Audi has really good 3D cameras, which shows like an image of the vehicle, which I think is nice. You also have 3 screens, a gauge cluster with 2 screens. I mean, you have heated and ventilated front seats. You also have different drive modes, of course. I'm going to drive in dynamic mode. You also have paddle shifters and a really nice digital gauge cluster, which you can change the views on with the full map with Audi's virtual cockpit. And yeah, I really love the wireless charging tray placement in there, which is nice, but the center console is pretty small. Other than that, I wish it had some more room other than that wireless charging tray, so you don't expect to put a lot of stuff in this console. You also have a panoramic sunroof. Rear seats look pretty good, and as I mentioned, with the executive package, you get the heated rear function. But let's walk around the vehicle now. The Q8 is a really good looking SUV. This one has like the Daytona gray pearl effect. Looks fantastic. This thing looks awesome, and as I mentioned, the wheels look amazing, and they even say Audi Sport on them with red calipers. Really cool daytime running lights. I think the Q8's a very beautiful SUV, especially when it's optioned well and has like the S-Line package. So it even says S-Line on the fenders over there, as you can see. It says Quattro on the grille. Seems like the doors are like electronic. Yeah, they're electronic, because like when I open it, you just go like this and the door opens. The rear seats, the legroom looks really good back here. That's actually pretty impressive. Heated rear seats. This brown interior is beautiful, and you have the sunshades. Really nice. I love the rear light bar on this Q8. At nighttime, it's like the whole thing's lit up. Beautiful. I need to drive an SQ8 and an RSQ8. Actually, yes, I never driven an SQ8. I drove an SQ7. And here's the trunk. Pretty good space. Yeah, great color combination on this one. This is a really, really nice Audi Q8. Let's get out on the road now. Seats are really, really comfortable, and I also forgot to mention it has beautiful open pore wood trim, which looks great. This one is in amazing condition. It's a 23 with almost 50,000 miles, and it looks like it's brand new, exterior and interior. The steering wheel looks new, the leather looks new. Like, whoever owned this car took amazing care of this car. I would not hesitate to buy this car. It just looks so good. I love when people take care of their vehicles, you know what I mean? When I see a used car in great condition, always puts me in a good mood. Pretty good acceleration. But yeah, so this one, it has only 335 horsepower. It's no speed demon. It is quick, but you can't really expect this car to be like monstrously fast or something. This is like good for daily driving, and it's sporty. But if you want more power, you have to get like an SQ8 or RSQ8. But for most people, this would be more than enough, to be honest with you. Like, I would get this as a daily driver. I don't need more than this for like a daily driver, which I want to be comfortable in. And this car definitely does help with comfort. And despite it having like being like a coupe SUV, it has pretty good rear visibility. Also, visibility with the blind spots is not bad at all either. I don't really have any complaints there. Very smooth ride. Even in this dynamic mode, it feels really smooth, really quiet in here. This is really good. All the materials feel great too. Nice turning radius. I'm very impressed with how refined this car feels and how comfortable everything is. And this spec is just perfect. You can't really go a lot wrong with like a nice gray exterior with a brown interior. That always works if it's like the right shade of color, and this one definitely has that. I do wish the car was a little faster, but as I said, this is more than enough for most people. But again, for daily driving, I would not mind driving this at all. But overall, very nice 2023 Audi Q8 55 Premium Plus. Very beautiful vehicle, very enjoyable to drive, and very luxurious and comfortable. And I really like it. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for high quality luxury vehicles like this Q8.